Assalamu alaikum, brothers and sisters. I am back with another video reminding us all on the importance of Jummah prayer, and I apologize that I have not been uploading videos as much as possible, but inshallah this will all change bi'idhnillah. So Friday or Jummah is considered the most important days of the week, also known as the master of the week. And inshallah in this video I will discuss some virtues and facts about the day of Jummah, or also known as Friday. So on the day of Jummah, Muslims offer the congregational prayer, which is an obligatory act in Islam and one of the greatest gatherings of Muslims. And the day of Jummah includes an hour during which all supplications are accepted. Abu Hurairah radiallahu anhu narrated that the Messenger of Allah sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, on the day of Jummah is an hour during which Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala gives to a Muslim servant standing in prayer whatever he asks for. And brothers and sisters, it is forbidden to fast on this day unless one observes fast a day before or after it. And the Holy Prophet ﷺ said, and one should give charity on the day of Jummah, because giving charity, brothers and sisters, during this day is more virtuous than any other day. And one should do good deeds on the virtuous day of Friday also. Brothers and sisters, sins are expiated on the day of Jummah, and the Holy Prophet ﷺ said in a hadith, whoever takes a bath on a Friday and does it well and purifies himself and does it well and puts on his best clothes and puts on whatever Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala decrees for him of the perfume of his family, then comes to the masjid and does not engage in any idle talk or separate pushing between two people, he will be forgiven for his sins between that day and the previous Friday, subhanallah. So brothers and sisters, when walking to attend the Friday sermon, a Muslim gets the reward of both praying Qiyamul Layl, meaning the night prayer, and fasting a full year as well. So listening to the khutbah or Friday sermon before the Jummah prayer is highly bounteous and obligatory for every Muslim. Every one of us should send lots of durood on the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam, and it is the most superior way of getting closer to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Our brothers and sisters, one should recite Surah Al-Kahf on the day of Jummah also. This is very important. So make lots of du'as on this blessing day of Friday, Jummah, as Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala will surely grant them. But we must remember that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala only accepts those du'as which are best for us. So in short, the day of Jummah, brothers and sisters, is the blessed day of the week, and we should try to spend it the way Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala mentioned in the Holy Quran, and also we should try to perfect our Friday prayers according to the Sunnah of the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam.